Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be taking a look at two digital cameras that promise to capture your best moments in stunning quality. On the left, we have the Vahoil digital camera, and on the right, we have the Camcori digital camera. Let's dive right in and see which camera is worth your hard-earned money. All right, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The Vahoil digital camera comes in at just $69, while the Camcori digital camera is priced slightly higher at $76. Now, I don't know about you, but I could use that extra $7 for a delicious pizza. But hey, let's see if the Camcori camera justifies the higher price tag. When it comes to image and video quality, both cameras promise to deliver. The Vahoil camera boasts full HD 1080p video resolution and a whopping 44.0 megapixels image resolution. That's enough pixels to make your Instagram followers drool. On the other hand, the Camcori camera also captures FHD 1080p videos and 44 megapixels photos. Looks like we have a tie in this category, folks. Now let's talk about the features that set these cameras apart. The Vahoil camera supports 16x digital zoom, face recognition, smile detection, and even has a pause function. Plus, it can be used as a webcam for all you aspiring YouTubers out there. Meanwhile, the Camcori camera offers similar features like 16x zoom, face and smile detection, and even has creative filter effects for those artsy shots. It's like having a mini photo studio in your pocket. We all love a camera that's easy to use, right? Well, both cameras have got you covered. The Vahoil camera is described as easy to operate and control, making it a great choice for beginners and even the elderly. And guess what? The Camcori camera is no different. With its ergonomic design, simple functions menu, and large LCD display, even a 5 to 13-year-old can be a pro photographer in no time. Now let's talk about portability. The Vahoil camera is smaller than your average cell phone, making it super easy to carry around wherever you go. It's perfect for capturing those spontaneous moments without lugging around a bulky camera. And guess what? The Camcori camera is also designed with portability in mind. It's petite, lightweight, and can fit right in your pocket. Say goodbye to those sore arms from carrying heavy cameras. Based on online reviews, the Vahoil digital camera is highly praised for its affordability, durability, and user-friendly features, making it a great choice for young photographers. On the other hand, the Camcori digital camera is recommended for its high-quality pictures, compact design, and various shooting modes, making it suitable for both kids and adults. Alright, it's time to wrap things up. Both the Vahoil and Camcori cameras have their own strengths, but at the end of the day, it all comes down to personal preference. If you're looking for an affordable option with impressive image quality, the Vahoil camera is a great choice. On the other hand, if you're willing to invest a few extra bucks for additional features and customization options, the Camcori camera won't disappoint. Remember, it's all about finding the camera that suits your needs and budget. That's it for today's comparison. We hope this video helped you in making a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.